Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to trade futures with Metatrader 4. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metatrader 4 app, and once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see settings option at bottom right corner. Just tap over there, and now you'll be redirected to your settings section where you can see new account option at the top of your screen. So once you tap on it, you'll be able to see two options. First one is to open a demo account and another is login to an existing account. Simply tap second one, which is login to an existing account. And now you need to search for your company or name or broker or something. So let's say capital.com. Now right after that, you'll be able to see the capital reel at second. So simply tap on that second option. And now it will ask you for your credentials. Once you complete the credentials, finally click on sign in and you'll be able to trade future with Metatrader 4 successfully. So basically, this is how you can trade futures with Metatrader 4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks.